Many people ask me how to turn LinkedIn into a habit. How do they build it into their lives on the basis that they're going to continuously do it? Because a lot of people have little flurries of activity on LinkedIn, especially when they get into grips with the early stages of moving from, say, a novice to a sort of slightly more advanced user. And having that regularity on LinkedIn is going to be really beneficial to your success and to your engagement. So how do you turn it into a habit? What I typically do is when I open my inbox on email, I will simultaneously, in the same moment, go and have a look at my activity on LinkedIn. So how I formed it in a habit in the first instance was simply, when I'm in that space of mind that I'm checking out my inbox on incoming emails, I'm also going out to check on LinkedIn what's happening on that platform too. And what's really interesting to me over a period of time, having worked on this for a long time, is that my inbox on LinkedIn can actually be more valuable than my inbox, shall we say, on email. So that's how I recommend you build it into a habit. Try looking at it simultaneously when you check out your email. Go to LinkedIn at the same time, whether that's once, twice a day or repeatedly throughout the day. Find out the sort of the habit and the methodology that suits you and stick to it. But make LinkedIn a habit. If you do that, you'll have the regularity of that touch point with LinkedIn and the audience that you're trying to build, and you'll find success comes from it.